What the heck am I doing now? Why, my goodness, that's an air conditioning vacuum pump. Project 66R doesn't have air conditioning, but it does have vacuum wipers. Let's see if these suckers work. Wow! If I only had a windshield and paint, interior, and a front end, this would be awesome. I had that unit rebuilt and I tested it quick with the vacuum from one bid, but I've never really hooked it all up. Can you imagine the engineering that went into this originally? Like, what were we thinking? We could have put a little electric motor on there and done the same thing. Back and forth, back and forth. I got good tension on those cables too. That is so awesome that they work. Oh, one more thing. And they actually park. Wow! That's awesome. Let's do it again. We're gonna park them. Perfect.